What if you could receive payment for each click instantly? Earnings per click could be as high as $1 or as little as 20 cents. Since they all add up so quickly, you might be making anywhere from $300 to $1,000 each month in passive income. You can do whatever you want with all the money, and it all starts with this video. I'll walk you through a few straightforward instances and demonstrate how to sign up for a free account that is open to everyone in the world. After this video, I'm going to share a secret tactic that nobody else will ever learn. It should be fascinating. I want you to examine the real payment documentation supporting this tactic. Individuals are exploiting their PayPal accounts to withdraw actual cash. For each click, they receive anywhere from $1 to $2. You can simply repeat this over and over again using your phone. I'll be showing you how to use this website to automatically earn pay for each click. Please watch the entire video before I reveal the identity of this website. You can see that you can earn up to 20 cents for each click. I'll also give you some extra advice at the end of the video on how to maximize your earnings and receive 40 cents, 60 cents, or even $1 for every click. You can earn up to 20 cents for each visitor, and we'll pay you for every click you send our way. Your earnings if you receive 500 clicks will be $100, but if you know the secret strategy I'm about to reveal, you can double your earnings by 5 to reach $500. Make sure you don't blow this opportunity. Anyone may take part. Within minutes, anyone from anywhere in the world can start earning money. You can take money out of your PayPal account after earning it. The query, how and when will I be paid, is evident. After each month, they will pay their affiliates via PayPal and in US dollars for the sales from the previous month. Simply enter your PayPal email address within your account to get your payment. The domain name for this website is entireweb.com. Google, a search engine, can be compared to the entire internet. Google is certainly well known to many of you. You may search for anything on Google by simply typing the keywords you want to use. In that regard, the entire web.com is identical. They're a search engine that works much like Google and lets you type any keywords you want right into the search field. For instance, you may write "how to generate money" and then select "search." They will then show you all of the articles, blog posts, and videos that match your search terms. Alternatively, you can click on other images to conduct searches on different subjects. It's comparable to Google, but they're brand new and will pay you for each click you send their way. They want to get more customers to migrate from Google to Entire Web, so they'll pay you up to 20 cents for each click. To promote this free search engine and entice more users to utilize it, you might sign up as the website's affiliate. Every time a visitor to a website hits search or views any of the photographs, you will continue to receive 20 cents. It is incredibly strong because it can accomplish it without requiring any advertising or sales efforts. If you only persuade folks to switch from Google to our free search engine, you can start earning money for each click right away. Once more, make sure to finish watching for the bonus that will let you earn 5 times as much money. I'll also show you a bonus website that you can utilize to get clicks continuously without putting any work into it. Simply opt for a free account to become an affiliate with Entire Web. You can access this page by clicking the Create Account button. Only your username, first and last name, email address, and the nation in which you now reside are required. They once more extend a warm welcome to tourists from throughout the globe. This holds everywhere. The website offers PayPal as a payout method. You can make money using PayPal just by driving traffic to our website. After filling out all the fields, simply click "I accept the terms and conditions" to create a free account. The full web search engine may then be promoted to everyone online, which will automatically and consistently produce clicks. That is precisely how people from different nations around the world may make money off of each click that they generate. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.